my channel. Now we want to work on the plan as we are instructed here that we have to draw the plan of the assembling. So we have assembled the part, but before I go on to draw the plan, I discovered that there's a little error here. I forgot to take the thickness of the nut, so which is 12 millimeters. So that's why I've rubbed that part off. So I'm going to do that before we go on with the construction of the plan. So I'm taking a measurement of 12 millimeters here. This is 12 millimeters. So here now I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line through this, okay, like this. And then we have the bolt. The bolt goes a little bit beyond this. We have it ended here. So we have it ended here like this, okay. All right, so then I'm going to make this horizontal. All right, so then for what I did before, for the curve. All right, so I've corrected it. So now let's go and work on the plan. And for the plan, I'll first of all draw horizontal center line here. Horizontal center line. So I will draw it here like this. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I'm going to transfer this length down here. So the total length as we have in the question is 108, as we have made use of it here. So I will draw a vertical line down here, and come here also I will draw a vertical line, okay. So now so what we need to do is that, as if we want to draw this again. So that's what I want to say. So we want to draw this again, but some part are going to show, because when we assemble the part, we have to show that the bolt show, and then the part of the bush which we have around here we also show here in the plan, and also part of the pulley we also show. So that's what we are doing, okay. Now we have that distance from here to here is from here to from the center here, or total distance from here to here is 60. So that's what we have there. So we need to get that. So and then we are going to put these circles also, or for the holes. So I'm going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters down and 30 millimeters up. This is 30 millimeters, and I will take 30 millimeters up here. So here I'm going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line here, okay, and then coming up here I will also draw horizontal line like this, okay. So now, so the next thing I'm going to do is that so let's position the holes. I'll pause the video and do that. So as we have here, the distance of the center of the hole from this end is 10. From here to here is also 10 for us to get this horizontal center line, and for the vertical center line it's also 10. So we are going to take 10. So I will take 10 millimeters down, 10 millimeters down here, and I will take 10 millimeters here, okay. So coming here also I will take 10 millimeters up. Then I'm going to draw horizontal center line here, horizontal center line. So let me take it from this end, okay. So then also here I will do the same thing, horizontal center line. Alright, so I also need to take 10 millimeters around here. So this is 10 millimeters. Then I will draw a vertical center line. So this is the vertical center line, okay. Then I will do the same thing on this side, and here I will also do the same. Alright, so as we are given the question that the diameter of these holes, there are 4 in number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Diameter of each of them is 6. So we are not going to make use of a compass to do that, because the radius will be 3, so it will be so small to do. So I'm going to use my hand to do that, but before that I will do one that you will see. That's why I came back to show you this. So what we need to do is to take a measurement of 3 millimeters to the left side, okay, and then we take 3 millimeters to the right side here, 3 millimeters to the right side, making 6. So this is 6, okay. So and then here I will also take a measurement of 3 millimeters down and 3 millimeters up, making 6. Okay, so coming here also I will do the same. So but let me just do this one so that you can see how I'm going to do the rest while I pause the video. So I will create a square here of length 6 millimeters. That's what I'm trying to do. So and then draw a vertical line here, and here also I will draw a vertical line. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to use my hand to create the circle, or I can do it in this way, making use of one of the holes on my French cuff. Okay, so I think I'd use this. Okay, I can okay, so I'm looking for one that alright, I can't find it, so I'll just use my hand to do it. So it goes like this. Alright, so I'm going to do the rest while I pause the video. Alright, so then another thing that we are going to show here is to create this part, and we are putting the bush in between, or sorry, the pulley in between it. So what I'm going to do is that so I need to make use of this set square to so draw a vertical line. So I just follow the line here, and then I will draw a vertical line here, and then coming to this point here I will also draw a vertical line, and then coming here for the bush I will also draw a vertical line here like this, and then coming to this point here I will also draw a vertical line, and coming here I will draw a vertical line. Here also I will draw a vertical line, and then for this part here I will draw a vertical line here. Coming here I will draw a vertical line. Alright, so coming to this end here for the boat I will draw a vertical line here. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that so the distance from okay, I'm coming. Alright, so distance from here to here is 38 millimeters. Oh, sorry, 34 millimeters from here to here. So we have to take that 34, and then so I need to also draw a line for this 10 millimeters. So we need to make use of it to create some parts. Okay, then I also need to draw it here and here. So I will also come here and also draw for that 10. Alright, so we have that. So now I will go on and take a measurement of 17 millimeters. So from 17 millimeters up and 17 millimeters down. So this is alright, so this is 17 millimeters down, and I will also take 17 millimeters down and up, making it 34. So here I will transfer this distance. So the lines are so many, so just look at how I'm doing it here. Alright, so we have that. So now, so the next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to, so as we have the curve, around here, so here I'm trying to put the curves that we see here and also here. So I'm using my French curve, so I've done this too. So and here I'm going to do it like this, and also I will do for this one. Okay, then here I will do the same thing for this, and then here I will do it for this one. Alright, so we have that, and then coming here, I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters from here to here. So I can't see any dimension given to that. So then here also I will come and take, okay, I've taken 20 millimeters. Okay. Alright, so then, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to produce a curve, a little small curve here. And then here I will also do the same thing, produce a small curve around here. So let me pause the video and do that. Alright, so what I've done here so far is that I've produced this part, and that's what you see here with the circles. Now for the bush that we are going to see here in the plan, as we have here, we have this, this is 26, distance from here to here is 26, so 26 by 2 will be 13, so we are taking 13 millimeters down and 13 millimeters up, so we come onto this line as we have produced its part down, so we come onto this line, so we take 13 millimeters down and 13 millimeters up, that's 26, so this is 26 millimeters. So then we need to transfer it to this side. I need to transfer it to this side, so I'll make it a thick line at once. So this is it, okay, and I will also do the same thing here. Alright, so coming up here, I will also do the same thing, so making this a thick line, and also I will make this a thick line here. Alright, so we are going to make it to be visible like this, okay. Alright, so we have this. So another part that we have here is the part that we have for the pulley, so which we have produced, but what I need to do here is that as we have that distance from let me show you, for this part that we have here, distance from here to here is 26, so which I've already produced here on the bush. They have the same diameter, so what I need to do here is to make this a thick line from here to here, then this also I'll make it a thick line, okay, and then coming down here, so I will also make this a thick line, and this will also be a thick line. Then for the pulley itself, for this part of the pulley, so we have that the diameter here is 40, so I need to come down here and take a measurement of 20 millimeters down, 20 millimeters up. This is 20 millimeters down, and here also we also have 20 millimeters, okay, that's already there. So what I need to do here now is to make this a thick line from here to here, okay, and then coming up here, I'll make this line a thick line from here to here. Alright, so then other thing that I need to do here is to make this a thick line from here to here, and I'll also make this line a thick line from here to here. So we are told not to show the hidden details, but I still need to put something here. So this is shown here, so which I've already taken distance for that. That is the thickness from here to here, which is 10, and then we have that to be 20 millimeters. I'm going to take 10 up and 10 down, so I'll take 10 millimeters down here from the center here and 10 millimeters up. So here now I will just draw this line, making it a thick line, and then here also I'll make it a thick line from here to here. Then I will make this a thick line. Alright, so we have that done. So we are left with the knot here, so we need to bring it down here. So how is the knot going to show in the plan? So how is this going to show in the plan is what I'm going to show here. So I'm going to replicate, we draw a circle here, so a circle of radius 14 millimeters, so as we did up there. So I will still take 14 millimeters. I think I still have the radius of 14 millimeters here on this compass. Okay, this is still 14. I'm going to draw a circle here. Okay, so I will draw this circle. So how it is going to look in the plan is what I'm going to show you now. So what I need to do here, I need to draw a vertical line. I will draw a vertical line that as a tangent through this circle at this point. Then I will take my 60-degree set square. I will set it in this direction. Okay, so it goes, I'm looking at how it should be positioned. Alright, so it is this 30-degree side that I'm going to use. Sorry for that. So I will draw like this. Okay, then I will turn it here like this and bring it to this point. I will also draw a tangent to this point. Alright, so we have that. So I need to make this line. Okay, so what I need to do now is that I'm going to draw a line from here. So draw a line from here to here, and then I will draw a line from this point like this. Then from this point also I will draw a line. Also from this point I will draw a line like this. Okay, so we have that. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to take the thickness of the knot, which is 12 millimeters. So from this line I will take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. So 12 millimeters here. So then I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So I'll draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so in this case, so we are going to see, we are going to have a curve. So there will be a curve. There will be a curve around here. So I'm going to use this French curve to make it. Okay, so then here also there will be a curve here. So using my French curve to do that. And then here there will be a curve here that will be connected with this tree. Alright, so we have this. So what I need to do next is to make this line a thick line. Okay, so this line, we also make it a thick line. So this line, we make it a thick line. And this line also, we make it a thick line from here to here. And then, so this part, so make it thick. Alright, so we have that. So then the boat extends a little bit beyond, so that is 12 mm thick, so that is 6 millimeters each. So I'll take 6 millimeters here, and I'll also take 6 millimeters from this center line. I'm using this center line, 6 millimeters down the center line, 6 millimeters up the center line. So here I will draw a horizontal line like this. Coming here, I will also draw horizontal line like this. Alright, so then we are going to give it a little bit curve a little curve around here. Okay. Alright, so then I will make this a thick line, and also I will make this a thick line. So looking at what we have here, this is the plan. So this is how the plan will look. And then I'm not done with that, so I need to make this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line. It's like this. So we also make this line a thick line. And this line also. So it will be a thick line from here. So part of the boat covers this part of the edge of the boat, so sorry, of the base. So I will also make this a thick line from here to here. Alright, so this is how the plan will look, as simple as I've done it here. Let's meet on the construction of the left end elevation as we are instructed. Thank you and God bless you.